In this video, I'm going to show you how to make banana flowers with boiled chicken. But you can actually use any meat as protein. Hope you'll tune in. Here are the ingredients, and it's so fresh and full of herbs which you can find freely in Southeast Asian region. So first let's prepare our veggie by picking herb leaves from their stalks. I've got so many different kinds of herbs here. Then chop some garlics and make them into small pieces. Then cut a lime like you see in this video, and this is the way that we make sure we won't throw away any juicy part of the lime. And then slice red shallots into thin layers, and thinner is better because we have to eat it raw with other veggies. And for now, just peel off the carrot skin. Then for banana flour, just peeling off its old part until you reach the young part of it. And after that, you slice banana flowers into thin layers in a big bowl. Then pour in water and also squeeze some limes for its use. Doing this would prevent the slices of banana from going dark brown. This is also the reason why you have to prepare other veggie first and then banana flour. Then cut red chili into any shape that you like. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to use this red chili. But actually this is more for the decorations only. Pound some roasted peanuts. And after you prepared everything, so now it's time to put all of the veggies into a big bowl. And you don't have to follow the step of putting veggies into a bowl like me. Normally I would toss everything in a bowl and mix them all together in one go. Then it's time for seasoning, and for this side salad we want it a bit sweeter, so make sure you put so much sugar. Then fish sauce, seasoning powders, and squeeze some limes. And then you mix them well together before you serve on a plate. And this is it. It tastes so good if you eat it as a side dish though. And normally in Cambodia we eat this as an appetizer, and then when we have a gatherings we always have beers and this kind of side salad. And I know the quality of these videos is not that great, but please consider subscribing and liking this video, and it means a lot to me. And leave a comment as well if you have any comments at all, and if you want to ask me any question related to these things, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.